So welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do since everybody's doing Addams Family and doing all this makeup, so I thought I would do Wednesday because I do love Wednesday in the Addams Family movie, which I love that movie. I remember growing up and watching it so much. I love the Addams Family. So if you want to see how I create this Wednesday Halloween makeup look, then keep on watching, but also do not forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. So if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and the colors that I'm going to literally use, are like these colors right here. I'm going to use this black. No, not this black. I don't think I'm using black. I'm going to use this one. It's like a gray brownish, a little bit of the brown. And I'm going to use this white and also this to kind of contour and put definition into my skin, into my face, and make it look more, not just so flat. So yeah, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild foundation in porcelain because it's extra white, and my face needs to look, you guys already know, it needs to look white. So let's just start. Let's start with the foundation. Okay. See, this foundation is really white. This is for like people who are really light skin. I'm just using my Catrice Camouflage 24/7 concealer. And I'm just using my Airspun, and I'm gonna do my whole face to make it look much more whiter, you know, because Wednesday looks really white and pale. I'm gonna start with my Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna grab this shade right here, this like kind of grayish brownish kind of type of color, and I'm just gonna apply that to kind of deepen the eyes and make the eyes look like I'm really tired and exhausted. Eyes are really tired. Like a smaller brush, like this brush right here, and I'm gonna put some under here to make it look like, you know, like my eyes are really dark, and like just to put definition in it, just to make it really look defined. Blend that. See, like I want it to look really dark. Like, you know how Wednesday looks? She looks very like scary and dark and like mysterious, and you're still trying to figure out like what she's thinking, what's behind her, like, you know, what's in her mind, what's going on in her mind, what is she thinking. The whitest color they have here, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that on the lid. Remember, Wednesday doesn't have any highlight or foundation, or blush or anything like that, so I'm gonna put this here. I'm sorry guys, like I want to talk so bad, but I feel like every time I talk I start coughing, so I don't talk, just like that. See that? Oh, so cool. Okay. The white NYX white pencil. It doesn't have any lashes or anything like that. I'm just putting some in the lower lashes, but just on the tips. Now let's just use the shade that I said right here, and we're gonna add some definition. Okay, you see that, guys? And then now I'm gonna go with my lips, and for my lips I'm going to, I don't have black stick or lip, so I'm just gonna use lip liner, eyeliner, this Smashbox, and let's see what happens. Look, I did Wednesday from the Addams Family. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was simple and easy and quick. Too crazy, nothing too extravagant. You know, I didn't want to do glam. I just wanted to do just how Wednesday would look, where she's pale, a little bit of definition on the, she didn't have no blush, she didn't have no highlight, she didn't have none of that. Just like trying to make my eyes dark. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on all my socials. And like I always say, may God bless you.